know that I'm happy for you. I wish nothing but the best for you both. And all the version of me, she forgot like me. What she goes down on you is not better. Cause she became up early, and when she have a baby, I'm sure she'll make her really excellent. It's the love that you gave that would make it wasn't that gonna make it out. Why up to you? Why? No. And every time you speak her name, but you know how you told me you're openly until you're not, till you die, but you're still alive, and I'm here to remind you of the mess you left when you went away. It's not fair to deny me all the much I made by you. Just put your lady in a bed that was me, and I'm not gonna wait until she closes her eyes. And she knows, and every time I touch my neck, got someone else's back. I hope you feel it. How can't you feel it? And I'm here to remind you of the mess you left when you went away. It's not fair to deny me all the hurt I made by you. Gave me
Joanne! As a performer, di ba, yung performance kanina, duh, that was really, really nice. I'm not so crazy about what you're wearing. I mean, it would look awful on me, but I think your voice connects to us, but I'm not sure if your performance, your face, your every movement is the same, has the same connection as your voice. So we need to step it up next week, okay, baby?
I don't know, bro. I think the only thing I agree with you is the clothes. It will definitely not look good on you.
It would look great on you.
Pero yung boses niya, Mart, yung boses niya, akala ko talaga, Joanne, na when you used to wear the glasses, which actually look really good on you,
We love that.
akala ko yun na yun. That's all that you had. Nice, pleasant, nice, and all that. But you're showing something new every week. Connection with the audience, that is one thing no performer, no artist should do without. Kailangan you have to have that in you all the time. Any song. Alright? But you did well.
For me, yung message na parang yung the way na kinanta mo yung song, parang yun yung way na sinasabi niya sa mga tao, hindi na ako pwedeng mapunta sa bottom 2. Yun yung message na pinarating niya. So, great job. Thank you.
About the costume, Martin.
Ala.
Sorry, was it yours?
No,
I'm sorry.
anyway, at first time ko na rin siya nakita ng ganyan. Pero at least, you know, there is a change. There is a change. I wanted her kasi in this song talaga. Because this song is talagang kailangan siyang galit, di ba? With this song, galit talaga. Galit na galit siya talaga ngayong gabi sa iyo.
Hindi po.
Very good. Very good.
Thank you
very
very
happy.
much,
Very
judges.
happy.
The ever-changing Joanne. If you want to vote for Joanne, it's XF space Joan. Thank you very much, Joanne. Carrie B, sino ang next performer?